Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can solve the error add money to resolve your outstanding balance. So this means that PayPal is asking you to add the amount from your bank account or maybe from your credit or debit card which is linked with your PayPal account. So this is basically the amount in minus. So that means you have to add the amount into your PayPal account, and from there this much amount would be deducted. All right, so there are a couple of reasons of this specific amount in minus. For example, you have any dispute with the person who has paid you the amount, or another reason is like you have purchased something which costs more than the balance you would have into the PayPal account. So at that moment you will be seeing this specific amount, right? So you have to pay this amount within 120 days, otherwise your PayPal account would be blocked. So how you can pay is, if you are seeing this specific button add funds, if you will be clicking on this one, you will be redirected to the linked bank account, or maybe towards the credit or debit card which you have linked with your PayPal account. So if you would not have linked the account, then definitely you will be getting this specific screen which is just showing you that you have to link your credit or maybe debit card with your PayPal account. All right, but currently I am not interested to pay it directly because I have not a solid reason of this specific dispute. So what I want is, I want to take the help from the PayPal support team so that they return the amount, or maybe they resolve this specific dispute. All right, so let me show you what you can do over here. So if you will be seeing down below, you will be getting this link, contact us. So you need to click on this specific link and you will be redirected to the few links which are like, for example, if you are clicking on payments, so you will be getting a lot of options. For example, send money, receive money, but in my case I have negative balance. So you have also seen that there is minus symbol, so that means this is negative balance. So if I have needed the help regarding this, so there are a lot of things which are discussed over here, so you can get the help from this specific description as well. So you can see over here, like if the negative balance is not resolved within 120 days, your account may be blocked and you won't be able to log into your PayPal account. So that means this is critical. So you need to pay as soon as possible so that your account should not be blocked by the PayPal. So you should also go through all the things so that you get the idea that what's the reason of this specific negative amount. So once you gone through and you thought that there is not the solution for you, then you will be getting two options over here: ask the community and direct message to the PayPal. So there may be the phone number into your PayPal account. So if you can if you can take the help from that one, you should also do like that. But for now I have only the way to communicate with the PayPal support team with the message. So once you are clicking on this message us link, then you will be getting the specific window where you can type the message which you wanted to send to the PayPal support team. So here you have the reason: hi, I am your PayPal assistant. I can help with common questions like what's the status of my dispute, or I want a refund, right? So basically this is detecting my issue automatically. So if you will have the issue, then definitely you will be getting the message accordingly. So here you need to type the message. For example, you are interested to resolve this specific issue and you need to type something like so I have written a specific message to my PayPal support team: please resolve my negative balance which is showing on the summary. All right, so if you will be seeing over here, you will be getting this specific message, right? So once you are done with the message, then you need to click on this specific button and this message would be sent to the PayPal department. All right, so definitely they will be giving you the feedback of the specific issue which you are facing after some time. So you need to keep checking your email address which you have linked with this PayPal account. So in that way you will be getting the specific reason of the dispute or maybe the negative balance which is showing on to your home page of the PayPal account. So if you have the business PayPal account or maybe the personal PayPal account, so both these will be solved. All right, so I think you got the basic understanding that what's the issue and how we can solve this. So I have also shown you a lot of solutions. So so directly you can contact with the PayPal support team. They will be helping you out with the specific reason which would be with your PayPal account. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I think that you are done with this specific error. So if you are still facing any issue, you can contact me. I have added my contact details below in the description, and if you are thinking that you can also do the comment, please add the comment into the comment section so that I could give you the proper solution if there would be possible for according to me. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.